everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 375 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have these Cover FX custom enhancer drops to try out, and this is a sample that I got from Ulta in one of my recent Ulta sample bags, and I have this in the shade Moonlight. I can't believe I've never tried these before because I feel like these are so popular, so loved. On the Ulta website, they're so high rated. So the full size version of this product retails for $42. I was really surprised when I saw how expensive that is. So I'm very interested to see if it's worth that high price point. Also, I was surprised to see that it comes in 6 different shades. I feel like for just like a product that adds glow that you mix in with other products, 6 shades is more than I would expect. So I do like that the company decided to do that. So what it says is that the custom enhancer drops allow you to customize your favorite beauty products, moisturizers, serums, oils, primers, foundations, and tinted moisturizers by adding radiance or a bronzed tint. Just place your usual product into the palm of your hand, drop in the custom enhancer drops, mix with your fingertips, and transform into the perfect customized finish. So what I'm going to be using today is my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, and I wanted to mix it into my foundation so that it could be an enhanced finish that will actually stay on my face, whereas if I put into my moisturizer, things like that, I'd still want to put foundation on top, so then I would kind of lose the glow from the custom enhancer drops. But so I also decided to use this particular foundation because this doesn't have much glow to it. It's a very natural finish foundation, so I wanted to use a product that could use the addition of glow, shimmer, however this ends up looking. But if you want to see my video on the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, I will link that down below. It's also a good reference to see how this foundation looks without the enhancer drops, but I use this a lot. I'm down to very little left in here. So I'll definitely be able to tell the difference that the Cover FX custom enhancer drops make. So here, such a cute little sample. It even has the dropper, but this Moonlight shade looks so gorgeous. It's like a champagne shade. All right, so I'm going to pump the foundation onto the back of my hand. I typically use 2 pumps worth. And then I'm going to add, it says to add 1 to 3 drops. So I'm gonna add 2 drops. And now with my finger, I'm just gonna mix them together. I feel like I went with a really light touch adding the drops in, and I'm not really noticing anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more. Hopefully this doesn't end up looking a little bit too like metallic now, but I'm just gonna go for it. All right, so I have 3 drops in here, but as I mix it into my foundation, it really disappears. So I don't know if it's just blending in well or if I'm not using enough and I'm not going to see a difference, but I feel like I did apply a decent amount into here. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my face and we'll see how it does. Wow, okay, so foundation is applied and I can seriously see a difference in the foundation finish. My skin has such a beautiful glow right now, and normally my skin looks good with this foundation. It looks evened out, but it doesn't have a glowy finish, but there is definitely beautiful reflection, dewiness to my skin right now. And if I look up very close, I can see some of the reflective shimmer from the Cover FX drops, but I'm so surprised by how subtle it is. It doesn't look like a metallic finish like I've seen from other kind of illuminators that mix into face products. Like this really does give a glow without being shimmery metallic. And because of that, it makes it look much more natural and makes my skin look so healthy. It's such an evenly dispersed all over glow, and I definitely don't feel like it altered the foundation in any way. It still is looking very smooth on my skin. My skin is looking hydrated. So all in all, so impressed. It's like this is a very inexpensive foundation, and just adding a couple drops of this product here take this foundation to the next level where it seems like this is a high-end product on my face, because this is a high-end product here, but it seems like a full coverage high-end foundation when all I needed was, this is like a $6 foundation mixed in with this high-end product. So I can see why this can be $42. You're going to be able to get so much use out of it. And because of that kind of subtle shimmer, this is something that I would want to mix in with a product like a lotion or a serum when I wasn't going to put foundation all over my face, or to do like a body shimmer, because it does give such a beautiful reflective shimmer and glow, not a metallic sparkly that would look a little bit unnatural on the body, but this mixed in with a body lotion would be so beautiful and glowy. Yay, I'm so happy I have this now, and I'm really hoping that this little sample will be able to last me a while, because I want to use this in so many different ways mixed with all sorts of products. I would love to know in the comments down below if you've tried this and what types of products you've mixed it with, what uses you find work best for this. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.